Freedom! Freedom? Anong freedom? Nakalaya na ako sa magiging alipin ng salapi. Ano pinagsasabi mo? Ayoko na sa trabaho ko. Laging OT. Pati weekends, kailangan pumasok. Inaaway ka nila? Sige, hindi natin sila pati. Thank you, ma! You don't have a job? Wala na. Let me remind you that you have 8 kids. Find job, talk to boss. Saan? Paano? Ang hirap pumasok sa trabaho ngayon. Oo nga, mali ata yung decision na ginawa mo pa. Find job, talk to boss. It is easy to find job with boss jobs. It is a legit hiring platform with thousands of job openings from top companies. Talaga? Sa kahit anong skills? There are a lot of active companies and jobs that match your skill set. Try it! Ay, gagawa na naman pala ako ng resume. No need! Boss Job can generate your CV and resume. Ayos yan ah! Iba na talaga panahon ngayon. Ano, kamusta pa? May trabaho na ako! Thank you, Boss Job!